What is up, you guys? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's Mark again from The Rooted Progress, and we are about to meet up with some of the SoftroadNation guys and gals. I got my SoftroadNation shirt, and today we're with Vanessa as well, who's wearing our Wagon shirt. So yay! Today's gonna be a fun day, guys. We're going up to Big Bear, gonna run the City Creek trail. It's a light trail, I believe. It's also known as 1N09. So we're meeting up first at the Starbucks in Menifee, and then we're going to caravan all the way up to the trailhead spot in Big Bear, where we're gonna meet other caravans. It should be a good turnout, guys. I'm super excited. Should be a good day.
Okay guys, we are now at City Creek at the beginning of the trailhead. Woo-woo. And there's a ton of people here. A lot of cars. Pretty good turnout. But yeah, what do you think, Mark?
Today's gonna be fun. There's a lot of people to interact with, get to know each other, and just have some fun on the trails. Not just Subarus, but all kinds of vehicles. So that's really awesome.
Yeah, so I'm pretty excited. And apparently Mark said I'm gonna be driving, so what do you think for that?
Yeah, Vanessa's gonna be primary driver, and then I'm gonna try to run around and get some more recording for y'all. So today's gonna be lots of fun. Dude, this is so crazy. There's so many freaking cars today.
Yeah,
huge turnout. Just when we thought that this was it for everybody, more people keep coming in. So we're just gonna take a little quick walk around, show you guys some of the rigs out here. There's probably like 20 plus cars today, but really cool. There's a couple Porsches. There's one down there, an Audi as well. We got this one right here. We got this Volkswagen. Freaking sick, guys. Dude, I like that JanSport. I like your JanSport backpack, dude.
Oh man.
So, I guess there's a little obstacle right here that some people want to do. It's not too bad.
Yeah, not bad.
No drop off. But we do have all those cars.
Down, we're rolling out. All right. So you just went up it and then went back down? Yeah.
Nah. You want to do it? Nice. Nice straddle. Good straddle, man. You want? Can I hit it?
I don't know if I'm able to. go. Nice.
Nicely done, sir.
Yeah, throttle out. Nice.
Flex that. Nice.
Might have ripped the fenders off, but that's alright.
What size are your wheels?
37.
Fuck.
I've been waiting 2.5 months for a 3.5-inch lift, so I'll get a lot more
You
clearance.
still
once
need
it
more
comes
lift
in.
though?
Oh yeah, big time.
Oh, yeah.
Once I have that, then
You're set.
no rubbing. Yeah, no rubbing. But you know, if I rip it off, I'll just get new ones. You know, tell the lady
Sick,
sorry.
All right. Ooh. Take it more, driver. Back up more. There you go. You're gonna run your driver tire along this ridge right here.
Ridge right here.
Yeah, so as long as you keep your driver tire on this ridge and make sure not to fall in there, you'll be good. Yeah. Keep it straight. There you go. Good. Moving in. Sick. Nice. Whoa. Nice and easy. Nice. Woo. No lift?
No, this is stuck.
This is it's good. That's what they're doing. You know, that's what they're able to do. Ooh. Just spin the tires, man. Rally it. You know, just
Yeah,
rally
I have
fine.
I have opened there, so
It's like Pikes Peak hill climb, you know.
I want a new transmission, but not right now.
Ooh. Got X mode on?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it working. All right, guys, so we just finished up taking a break real quick from the trail, got some pictures, got to hang out and chill a little bit, but it's already time to hit the trail again. So we're gonna go ahead and go for it. Fucking got wet. That was good though.
Oh, my bad, dude.
I was like, wait a minute, I should probably back up. Woo! No, it's good, dude. It's all good.
Damn. I bet that was some good footage though.
That was great. All right, so we stopped, took a break. I think we're getting a drone shot picture, a group picture. And yeah, looks freaking amazing out here, guys. I love being how we're like surrounded by the mountains. We're kind of in this valley. Just looks sick. Freaking awesome. So that is it, guys. We just
got onto the freeway on our way back home to San Diego. We had a ton of fun. It's nice to like kind of be outdoors every once in a while, and that's why we also really enjoy off-roading. But yeah, anything else you want to add?
The trail was not too bad. Towards the end, it was a little slightly sketchy with the mud, but everybody did fine. Nobody got stuck, and we all got through the trail all together. So yeah.
Yeah, I'll hope you guys enjoyed this video, and then until next time, keep on trucking.